Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another scent talk, and for today's video, I will review this Bath & Body Works Fall Collection. These are specifically the gourmand ones because in my previous video, I already reviewed some of the fall collections. If you haven't seen that video, I will link that video down below and on the card. So after this video, you can check it out. So I got these decants from Rinsky shop in Shopee. So if you are interested, you can check their shop after this video and of course check out. So yeah, I'm very excited to show these scents to you because if you know me, I am really a gourmand lover. Anything gourmand, anything foodie, I love. So without further ado, let us start. So all in all, I have these 6 scents. 2 of these I already have. So it comes in this reusable tub. Actually, this one is a food tub. First, you will see this card that says, "Dream can't come true if you don't take the leap." Each scent comes in this individually wrapped packaging like this one. Pero yung iba, tinanggal ko na para wag tayong masyadong magtagal. So again, as I told you earlier, I have here 6 scents. These are the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, Coconut Candy Apple, Pumpkin Pecan Waffle, Blueberry Sugar Pancake, Pumpkin Cupcake, and this Strawberry Pound Cake. If you know me, you already know my judgment about this Strawberry Pound Cake. So we are going to review that one last. So we will start with the overview of this collection. This one is from the Bath & Body Works website. It says, "Treat yourself. This irresistible fragrance is made with a dash of love, a pinch of heartwarming joy, and a spoonful of pure fun. Whether you lavishly spray or lightly spritz, you'll fall in love at first mist." So we will start with the first one, which is the Pumpkin Pecan Waffle. These are new packaging, at least in my eyes, because these are roller balls. Unlike the ones that I used to review, which are the 10 ml sprays. So I think this one is really cute. Ayan, ganun yung itsura niya. It is similar to the OG roller balls that we have back in high school from Avon. So it looks like that, only a little smaller, I guess. So, ayan, ganyan yung kanyang itsura. Yung picture ng packaging, nakaprint siya dito. Ayan, I don't know kung nakikita nyo. Notes are a nutty breakfast treat of maple syrup, golden waffles, and pumpkin spice. If you already watched my previous videos, you will know that I am in search of something that smells like Belgian waffle. Sobrang gusto ko yung scent na yon and sobrang na-attract ako sa scent na yon for some reason. So, palagi ako naghahanap ng ganong scent. When I heard about this pumpkin pecan waffle, I got really excited but hindi ko pa siya mabili in full size dahil natatakot ako na marami na siyang kaamoy from my gourmand collection. Pero, nung makita ko yung collection na to in decant, so super na happy ako kasi matatry ko na siya. Actually, hindi ko na alam kung saang parts ako ng arms or ng hands ako maglalagay kasi nga rollerball siya para hindi sila maghalo-halo. So, dito na lang muna siguro sa part na to. On initial sniff, you will get the maple syrup. This one is sweet, like the thickness of the maple syrup. But hindi siya yung malagkit na, as in, alam mo yung parang feeling mo ay kakapit sa iyong body and magiging malagkit rin sa feeling. But you will get the vibe of pagiging thick, deep, and sweet. Ganun yung nakukuha ko sa kanya. Nai-imagine ko sa kanya na meron silang similarity ni coconut cream pie. I don't know kung saan siya nanggagaling. Maybe yung golden waffle, kasi yung golden pie crust, nandun siya sa coconut cream pie. Sa una, for me, honestly, medyo strong siya. But as it dries down, nagiging maganda na yung scent niya. Like yung pagiging calm and alam mo yung parang buttery na scent nung coconut cream pie. So, di ba sa una, medyo strong din yon, parang meron pa siyang hint of coffee. Pero, ayun, sa una matapang din siya. Pero di ba pag nagda-dry down na siya, kung naamoy niyo yung coconut cream pie, nagiging mild na siya. Alam niyo, nagiging parang buttery na yung scent niya. And masarap na siyang amuyin. Ganun yung nagiging dry down nito. Pero definitely, maaamoy mo pa rin yung sweetness ng maple syrup. Pero makukuha mo talaga sa kanya yung golden waffle. Mabango siya, only stronger lang siya kaysa dun sa nai-imagine ko because super nai-imagine ko talaga yung scent ng Belgian waffle kasi I don't know, I'm super addicted sa scent na yun. Yung pumpkin spice, nakukuha ko siya along with the golden waffle. So, hindi siya yung parang, as in parang pumpkin spice, pumpkin latte scent. Hindi ganon. Meron lang siyang parang spicy sweetness. Ganon yung nakukuha kong scent dito sa pumpkin pecan waffle. This one is strong, so I'm expecting na medyo magtatagal siya. Pero hindi ko pa masasabi sa inyo ngayon kung gaano sila nagtatagal kasi hindi ko pa sila natatry ng gamitin as a day scent or as a daily scent. Kasi medyo ano sila, yung mahirap silang gamitin or parang mahirap silang i-judge. At the same time, hindi ko ma-explain masyado yung projection niya kasi nga medyo ano siya, mahirap siyang, alam niyo yun, kunin yung amoy kasi nga naka-rollerball siya. Pero definitely, this one is strong. So, I'm expecting na magpo-project siya ng maganda like the projection of the coconut cream pie. Kung meron kayong ganon, same vibe sila, yun nga lang. Hindi to purely coconut. Meron kang nakukuhang spicy sweetness from the pumpkin spice. So, ako personally, I like this one. Bagay siya sa malalamig na panahon, especially ngayon, magpapasko na. So, medyo malamig na. Bagay siya sa ganon kasi kung super init, may tendency siya na maging malagkit sa feeling. But hindi naman totally malagkit yung scent niya. Yun nga lang, may tendency siya na kumbaga parang pag napahalo sa pawis, hindi siya ganon ka-refreshing. Pero definitely, as fall and winter scent, kahit wala namang winter sa atin, may sasuggest ko tong pumpkin pecan waffle. Our next scent is this pumpkin cupcake. This one looks like this. Parang, I don't know, blue or light blue yung color niya. Super excited ako dito kasi malapit na ako mabudol ng full size. Actually, kung hindi ko nakita yung collection ng decants na to, super bet ko na siyang i-purchase kasi parang magugustuhan ko siya. I believe meron ng pumpkin cupcake yung Bath and Body Works in old packaging. I'm just not sure if same scent sila or same scent note sila. Pero again, this one specifically is from the Fall Collection 2021. Notes are a sweet autumn treat of whipped buttercream, pumpkin spice, and vanilla cake batter. So, upon reading its notes, sobrang na-excite din ako kasi alam niyo yun, parang ni-imagine ko dito is the kalmadong vanilla scent. Gusto ko yung mga ganon specifically for bedtime kasi nakaka-super relax nila. So, amoyin na natin yung pumpkin cupcake. I don't know kung napapansin nyo or kung magre-register sa audio natin, pero medyo paus po ako ngayon kasi ilang gabi na akong puyat. At kung napansin nyo, wala po akong upload ng Sunday and Saturday. Sobrang dami kong ginagawa and sobrang puyat ko na nga po. Kaya feeling ko medyo affected yung boses ko. So kung nai-irritate kayo sa voice ko, I'm so sorry. Gusto ko lang ding ma-film yung video na to para at least meron tayong upload this week. Actually, may pasok ako bukas. Nag-film lang ako kahit medyo gabi na para, ayun, meron tayong upload. Plus, marami yung, not super dami, pero may mga ilang naghihintay ng review nito. So, ayun, para sa inyo. Get you. This pumpkin cupcake, na-share ko lang kasi naririnig ko ako sa sarili ko. Parang paus ako. So, yeah. Ayun po yung dahilan. So, ayan. Ganyan. Rollerball din siya. Nandito siya. So, lipat tayo dito sa kabila. Oh my God. Ang bango niya. Amoy siyang as in cupcake. Bango niya. Amoy siyang Bavarian. Amoy siyang Bavarian cupcake. May ganun ba? This one is almost similar to Vanilla Rainbow Sprinkle, only with a twist. You know, yung Vanilla Rainbow Sprinkle kasi, parang ano siya, masyado siyang plain, masyado siyang warm vanilla cake na scent. But this one, amoy siyang warm vanilla cake or warm vanilla cupcake with a twist. And yung nai-imagine ko sa twist na yon is the Bavarian feeling. Maybe because of the whipped buttercream. Ganun na naamoy ko sa kanya. Pero sobrang bango nito. Yung pumpkin spice, hindi ko siya nakukuha as strong as nung nandun sa pumpkin pecan waffle. Definitely mas strong yung scent na yun. This one is mild, like yung parang mildness na nga ng vanilla rainbow sprinkles. Only this one has a twist of a buttercream scent. Kung kayo nagustuhan yung vanilla rainbow sprinkle, I'm sure na magugustuhan nyo rin yung scent na to. Kalmado siya. Alam nyo yung parang simple. Kalmado lang yung scent na to. Hindi siya ganun ka-loud, hindi siya ganun ka-strong. I don't know kapag in-spray siya kung gano'n siya magpa-project. But definitely nagustuhan ko siya kasi scent-wise, sobrang sarap niyang amuyin. Like, eto yung parang huggable scent na gusto mong lapitan, yung may-ari ng scent or yung tao na ganito yung scent. Kasi, alam niyo, para mas makuha mo pa yung scent, mas maamoy mo pa siya, parang gugustuhin mo siyang lapitan. Super nagustuhan ko tong pumpkin cupcake. So again, this one, pumpkin cupcake, is a yes for me. Na naman, opo, sabi ko naman sa inyo, expect nyo na magugustuhan ko sila kasi nga, I'm super into gourmand scent. So, this one I can rate as 9/10. So, mas mataas siya doon sa pumpkin pecan dahil, alam mo yun, parang mas mild and mas personal scent siya. Now, we will move to another pumpkin scent, which is the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I already have this review, yung aking Bath and Body Works most hype scent. Parang review ko yun nung bago pa lang ako nag-i-start sa mga scent talk. And medyo marami din yung nanood ng video na yun. So, I'm very thankful. Doon sa video na yun, ni-review ko siya as part of the, I don't know, I'm not sure kung siya din ay fall collection and kung anong taon siya. Pero definitely from a different packaging. So from this collection, ni-repackage siya. Ito na yung itsura niya. Doon sa review ko na yon, nagustuhan ko siya and in fact, kumuha ako ng travel size nitong scent na to. I'm not sure din kung bakit meron pa akong ganitong scent dito sa mga nakuha ko ngayon, when in fact, meron na naman ako. Maybe gusto ko lang malaman kung may pagbabago ba dun sa scent niya or kung, alam niyo yun, iniba ba siya or na-repackage lang. So, para dun sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, basahin ko yung notes. A sweet barista blend of pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallow, and praline musk. So, pagkakatanda ko, same-same lang yung scent notes. So, amoy na natin sila kung same scent din. Ayan. Dito naman tayo sa kabila, o, diba? Sige, lahat ng part ng arms, ng hands natin ay ating malalagyan ngayong gabi. I'm not sure kung ako lang or may nag-iba dun sa scent ng meron ako. Pero definitely, this one has stronger pumpkin latte scent. I'm not sure. Kasi kasi yung isa parang sweeter version siya. Alam mo yung almost may nakukuha nga ako sa kanya na caramelly and mas mild siya kasi parang natatandaan ko doon sa review ko na yon, dinescribe ko siya as clean gourmand scent. Ay yung simple lang, yung hindi siya super loud. Pero this one, mas nakukuha ko sa kanya yung stronger pumpkin latte. Meron siyang mas spice ng konti kesa dun sa una ko na amoy. But definitely, hindi siya kasing tapang ng pumpkin pecan waffle. Kung yung pumpkin pecan waffle, parang strong of golden waffle siya. Eto naman, mas makukuha mo sa kanya yung pagiging pumpkin latte, yung pagiging drink niya. So, hindi siya ganun, alam mo yun, ka-strong. Like, parang bakery gourmand. So, this one is still gourmand, pero ano siya, toned down version. Actually, meron ako nakukuha sa kanya na parang hint or pinch of coffee. May kaunti siyang spice and bitterness na scent. Mabango yung scent na to. And also, marami ako nakikita na nagtatanong ano yung mga masasuggest ko na good marshmallow scent. This is a nice scent. For me, this one is another 8/10. Nagustuhan ko rin siya. Actually, lahat talaga sila feeling ko gusto ko. So, mag-move na tayo. Another new scent from this collection. This is the Blueberry Waffle Sugar. Actually, nag-iisip ako kung alin kaya yung mas kaamoy ng Belgian waffle. Notes are a fruity morning treat of sugared blueberries, fresh pancakes, and caramel cream drizzle. So, this one, ayan, cute talaga nila. Tapos medyo, bluish yung laman nila. I'm sure hindi nyo siya nakikita. So, lipat na tayo dito sa kabila nating kamay para hindi sila maghalo-halo. Kahit rollerball lang siya at hindi siya spray, nakuha ko agad yung scent niya. And this one is reminding me of something I smelled before. And yeah, I figured it out. The opening scent smells close to raspberry jam donut. As in yung unang scent na maamoy mo. Maybe because of the sugared berry. Alam mo yung parang sugary, parang confections. Ganun inaamoy ko. Ang bango din ng scent na to. Kung paano ko nagustuhan yung raspberry jam donut, I feel like ganung level din yung pagkagusto na mararamdaman ko dito. Like, this one is a fruity gourmand. Hindi ko sa kanya makuha yung super warm scent, kagaya ng pumpkin pecan waffle. But this one smells good also. Mabango siya. Alam niyo yung ganun nga, level ng raspberry jam donut. Hindi ko lang siya makuha ngayon kasi nakatago siya. And mahirapan akong bumalik sa aking momentum kapag hinanap ko pa siya. Pero ganun yung scent na nakukuha ko sa kanya. Only this one has distinct blueberry scent. Unlike yung isa na sweetness talaga siya ng raspberry. Pero definitely magka-DNA sila kasi nga pareha silang may berries and sugary notes. So this one is another 9/10. Mabango din yung blueberry sugar pancake. Actually, silang dalawa yung pinag-iisipan ko kung ano ikukunin ko in full size. And hindi nakakatulong yung mga decants na to. Parang mas lalo akong nalilito. Now we will move to another scent that is new to me. This is the coconut candy apple. So this one is a tropical fall treat of candied red apple, shredded coconut, and vanilla spice. So amoy natin siya kasi hindi ko pa alam yung scent na to. First time ko siyang maaamoy. This one is also strong. Para siyang yung pumpkin pecan. Alam mo yung hindi ko pa dinidikit pero naamoy ko na siya. This is weird. At first, I'm getting candied or caramelized apple. Hindi siya fresh apple. Hindi siya kagaya nung nasa tie-dye. Kung natandaan yung review ko, yung previous upload ko. Tie-dye smells like apple juice. And juicy and fresh. Alam niyo yung crisp apple. But this one smells like candied or caramelized apple. Ganun nakukuha ko sa kanya. Para kasing combo siya ng sweet-sweet. Kasi meron siyang candied apple and shredded coconut yung nasa note niya. But I'm getting toasted coconut. This one is weird. Meron siyang warmth and meron siyang konting, ano yun, parang freshness and fruitiness. But definitely this one is strong. Personally, hindi ito yung mga scents that I will go for. Kasi medyo over yung pagiging sweet niya. I can see the scent being worn by someone in their teenage years, like high schooler or senior high school, college, mga ganun. Kasi medyo matamis na siya for my preference. So ako personally, I'm okay with this. Masaya na ako na naamoy ko siya. This is not a bad scent. It's just that it's not my preference. So kung gusto niyo yung mga sweet, mga apple, and toasted coconut scent, pwede niyo kukunin yung coconut candy apple. So I can give this one a 6/10. This is not a bad scent at all. It's not my preference. And lastly, eto na lang natitira na nakalagay sa packaging, which is the OG and #1 strawberry pound cake. You already know my verdict about this one. This is my love. This is my favorite. So this is my forever go-to scent. Again, this is the strawberry pound cake. A delicious blend of strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. Most of my videos nagfe-feature ng mga favorite gourmand, favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. Napakita ko nito. I already smelled this in every bottle kasi favorite to ni Bath & Body Works. Kung meron silang favorite na anak, baka ito na yon kasi halos lahat, halos bawat taon, nire-repackage nila to sa iba't ibang bottle. Kung saang collection nila to ay sinasama. Maybe because marami din talaga yung nagmamahal sa scent na to. And isa na ako doon. So, kinuha ko lang siya. Gusto kong malaman kung may difference ba siya from the Bake Shop collection, from the Chalkboard collection. So, yeah, let's see. Actually, alam ko na ang amoy nito. Kung mag-iba man yung scent nito, maybe super konti lang ng pagkakaiba. And yeah. Initially, wala siyang pinagkaiba dun sa mga old collection. Ganun pa rin siya. This one is a parang warm golden shortcake lifted by the fresh strawberries. Alam niyo, sobrang bango ng scent na to. Kung meron lang akong isang scent from Bath & Body Works na ititira, siguro eto na yon. Kasi super love ko talaga yung scent na to. Perfect blend siya ng sweetness from the strawberry. Alam niyo, may touch of fruity siya. But at the same time, meron siyang warmth from the golden shortcake. And yung nagpapanalo dito for me is the whipped cream or yung vanilla scent niya. Ang ganda. Ito yung nagbabalance ng lahat. Meron siyang pagiging lifted, meron siyang pagiging warm, and then tinatone down siya ng whipped cream. So, nagkakaroon siya ng parang vanilla scent. So, yeah, sobrang panalo yung strawberry pound cake for me. And ngayon, actually, i-rate ko sila kung alin dito yung mga possible na kunin ko in full size. Pero para hindi ako bias, hindi ko na isasama yung strawberry pound cake sa rating. Because you know, this scent will be my forever love. So, tanggalin ko na siya kasi siya na yung makakuha ng first spot, of course. Ang first choice ko is this pumpkin cupcake. Sabi ko nga ka-vibe niyong vanilla rainbow sprinkles. Only this one has a touch of parang buttercream. So, medyo ano siya, meron siyang sweetness ng konti. So, this one I will get. Also, this blueberry sugar pancake. Ang nagustuhan ko rin siya, ka-vibe siya nung raspberry jam donut because of the berries and sugary notes. And lastly is this pumpkin pecan waffle. Nagustuhan ko din siya kahit medyo strong siya. Sa una, strong siya, pero as it tones down, nagiging pleasing, warm, gourmand scent na siya. And ganun yung mga gusto ko. So, silang tatlo yung mga super nagustuhan ko. So, I guess, ayun lang yung 6 na meron ako. Ayan. Feeling ko naman, nabigay ko sa inyo yung mga thoughts ko about this. Hindi ko pa sila natatry as in whole day scent. So, hindi ako makapagbigay sa inyo ng kanilang longevity. Ayoko namang sabihin na yes, nagtatagal sila or hindi sila nagtatagal. Sa panghula ko lang. So, ayun lang yung thoughts ko about this Bath & Body Works Fall Collection 2021. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. I am super thankful sa lahat ng nanonood at nag-subscribe, mga nagko-comment and nagla-like. Super na-appreciate ko kayo. And again, kung mahilig kayo sa mga Sentalk, gumawa na ako ng Sentalk playlist featuring my Sentalk video. So, pwede nyo siyang i-check para makita nyo anong scents ba yung hinahanap nyo. Meron din akong chocolatey, meron akong vanilla, warm, and anything about scents. Kung meron pa kayong mga questions, recommendations, and suggestions, pwede nyo i-comment sa comment section kung alin dito yung favorite nyo. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts about them. And ayun lang yung video ko for today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep safe and bye!